What's poppin', YouTube? We got a little bit of dust on the lens. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. It's honestly cold outside. I'm not sure why I decided to do this video outside because I'm freezing my butt off, but we're doing the video outside. You guys already know why you're here. You clicked on the video, you clicked on the title, and so let's get into it. So we are coming up on, I guess, my first, well, I'm gonna say second, kind of big milestone on my YouTube channel. A few months ago, we hit 1,000 subscribers and kind of skyrocketed up to about what's now like 4,500 or 4,600. My goal for 2019 was to be, well, by 2019 was to be able to hit 5,000 subscribers. We are so close, but it is almost 2019. So I want to do a giant giveaway for you guys. If we can make this happen by 2019, so by December 31st, we're gonna do a massive giveaway. I already have some things planned, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what that is, what you can win, what you have a chance at getting, etc. And yeah, I'm cold. It's like 20 degrees out. Let's go downstairs and I'll show you guys exactly what you can get here. Wow, talk about that for an entrance. I legit, I'm not even kidding you guys. That was not fake. Like, I almost just ate it and dropped the camera. That was bad. All right, we're coming in to the studio. I'm gonna throw the camera up on the tripod and we'll talk to you guys about exactly what I wanna do to accomplish this goal. I hope you guys can help me. I hope you guys are down and I hope you guys are excited. So before we get into what I'm going to give away and things like that, I wanna touch base with you guys on what I'm gonna try to do to accomplish this goal and how maybe you guys can help out. What I wanna do, I've never done before. I've talked about it so many times and I've tried to do it and it's just so hard to do. It's such a grind, but I think I can do it, is post every single day, just until 2019. So from today, December 11th, I'm going to do my best to just post awesome content until 2019. That is one thing that I've wanted to do so much. Like, I wanted to try and do it and I said I'm gonna do it and I never fully committed to doing it because it's really hard, guys. It's honestly not easy to produce content every day when you're filming it yourself, you're editing it yourself, etc. So that's what I want to do for you guys. I want to be able just to produce awesome content, and like I said, if it goes great, I'll probably try and continue to do that through the next couple of months. But I got 400 subs, guys. That's all we got. I think we're at like 4,650, so even less than 400 to be able to hit that 5K subscriber mark. So I think we can do it. What do I need from you guys? Well, I just need your guys' support, just like you guys have been doing all along. All you guys that comment on my videos and watch my videos, thank you so much. If you guys want to tell your friends, your fam, or whatever who's into this YouTube realm, that go ahead, you can tell them about my account, but at the end of the day, I just need your guys' support. So other than that, let's get right into this and let's talk about the giveaway. I put a lot of thought into this and thought maybe if I should do one giant giveaway or if I should do a couple, and what I came to conclude at was I'm going to do 3 different giveaways. For the first giveaway, what I did was I reached out to my friends over at Mystery Tackle Box to see if they would help me out with this, and as always, they're super helpful, so thank you so much, Mystery Tackle Box. They offered to throw 2 things at me. One, a mystery tackle box to give away to one of you guys, so you'll get whatever month that is, you'll get yourselves a mystery tackle box loaded with all the goods in there. This is the December box I have right here, so a video will be coming out for that soon. And then along with the mystery tackle box, you guys will be able to get one of these guys. This is a Neko. This is not a mystery tackle box Neko, but it's just an example if you guys don't know what that is. These things are awesome whether you live up north or whether you live down south. They protect you from the sun, they protect you from the cold. They are just an awesome little thing to have all the time. So that's what you'll get for the first prize, and yeah, so thank you Mystery Tackle Box for allowing me to do that, and yeah. So numero dos, what I'm going to be giving away for the second giveaway is a complete random mystery box. I'm going to put together a mystery box of fishing stuff. It's going to have lures, line, all kinds of nonsense, and along with that, I'm going to give away a $25 gift card to anywhere of your choice. So whoever wins that's gonna get 25 bucks and just a hodgepodge of fishing stuff. So those are the first two, and then for the last and final giveaway, I am going to be picking a third person to win a fishing rod setup. Now it's not gonna be this one right here. I'm gonna allow you guys to choose whether you want a spinning reel or a bait caster, and then I'm gonna send you a full setup, you know, something like this. Now, if we can hit 5,000 before 2019, which has been my goal for 2018, if we can get that done, you know, in the next couple weeks here, before December 31st, I will do a fourth giveaway. As I have an idea what I want to do in mind, and it's big. It's going to be real big, and it'll be an entirely different video on what I'm going to give away. But it's up to you guys to tell your friends, to share this channel, to help me reach that goal. So other than that, guys, oh, you know, I should probably get into how you can win this stuff, right? You probably want to know, oh, yo, Jay, how can I actually, you know, win this stuff? Here are the rules to the giveaway. Numero uno, you guys gotta be subscribed to TightlineTV. So go over, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you guys know every time that I post a video. That's gonna be the first way you guys gotta enter. Second off, in addition to subscribing to my channel, you gotta leave a comment down below on this video. Literally comment whatever you want. I don't care. Maybe something funny, maybe something relevant to fishing. Whatever it is, just leave a comment down below. That will give you an entry. And then third off, I think I'm gonna do Instagram. I'm gonna change it up. Go over Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna pick one of my followers from Instagram, and they're gonna win one of these 3 items too. Just because I don't do too much with Instagram or anything like that, so I want to give you guys, who are those extra, you know, loyal subscribers that follow me on Instagram, a chance at winning something. So those are 3 ways you guys can enter. I'm gonna be picking all over the board. I'll pick from the comment section down below, I'll pick from the subscriber list, and I'll pick from my follower list on Instagram. If you guys can also do me a favor, go show Mystery Tackle Box some love for helping me out with one of the portions of this giveaway. They're always a really great help. So please, there's a link down in the description below. You guys go ahead, subscribe over to their channel. They have a lot of awesome fishing content if you guys want to learn new stuff, or if you want to see stuff from the big dogs out there like John B, Lake Fork Guy, SB Fishing TV, all of them. So if you guys want to check out videos from them, hit the link in the description below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I guess I'll update the giveaway as we go, but we gotta hit 5K subs. So please tell your friends, tell your family, whatever you guys want to do to share this account. Let's help me get to 5K subs just to meet my 2018 goal. If you guys want a 4th giveaway after these 3, stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you guys in the next video.